Hi. Many hotels and resorts may not be aware of the growing concerns over fungi, bacteria, and diseases like Legionella disease, caused by jetted tubs. These hydro or jetted tubs are notorious for being expensive and difficult to maintain. They're also unsanitary because of old, dirty water getting stuck in jets for days, even after cleaning cycles. This leads to guest complaints when turning on the jets and seeing gunk and slime floating in the water, as well as unseen bacteria that can cause serious disease. Luckily, Bathtub Guys has a solution for the hospitality industry with our jetted tub conversion service. Bathtub Guys Jetted Tub Conversions are a cost-effective way to remove the old jets on an existing whirlpool, jacuzzi, or jetted tub and seal them off permanently for a fraction of the cost for replacement. This process leaves a seamless look on the tub and converts the existing jetted tub into a soaker tub. Here's how it works. Bathtub Guys technicians will remove the old jet system from the tub and install a 2-part anchor that is later filled over with a fiberglass filler on each jet hole. Each hole is then sanded smooth, and then we include our full-service refinishing service to make the tub look like new again. The service isn't just seamless in look, but also in function. Because of our proprietary 2-part anchor system, your jetted tub conversions can hold up to direct impact for years to come, and it's backed up by our industry-leading 5-year warranty, which ensures your jets won't crack or pop open like other inferior methods. Bathtub Guys has already done thousands of conversions for resort chains like Diamond Resorts International, and we want to work with you. So get online or call us today to schedule a free consultation for your hotel or resort, and take the first step to sealing your jacuzzis for good today.